What's up, guys? It's Derek Johnson, creator of the Money Makeover Challenge. If you want to take the challenge, you can head over to themoneymakeoverchallenge.com and get signed up. Today I'm going to be bringing you a $40,000 case study of how my wife and I made that much money from one property without having to rush it. So be sure to stay tuned for that. If you want to continue to get tips, tricks, and trainings like this, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell, and I'll continue bringing the heat. I'm looking forward to watching you grow. Be sure to hop in the group if you haven't already. Give me a like if you get any value out of this. If you want to take the challenge with me, I'm taking 30 beta members through, so you can go ahead and grab your spot by going to themoneymakeoverchallenge.com. With that being said, let's jump into the training. But basically, you can go to themoneymakeoverchallenge.com, and all you do is enter your name and email. This will be the email that you'll get access to the challenge with. Click this button here. It's going to take you to the cart, and you can just fill this info out. If you want, you can get access to my real estate analyzer. That's a order bump. And all this stuff like this cart and digital courses is something I'm going to be teaching inside this challenge as well. But today I wanted to kind of go through a real estate case study of how my wife and I made $40,000 off of our personal residence without having to rush anything. So this was our second home that we lived in. It was in Waterloo. Take you on a little tour here of the inside. So we completely remodeled this ourselves. In the challenge, I'll probably do some before and after pictures so you can see the transformation. But doing all the work ourselves, and what we hired out was just the windows, really. We probably spent around 10 grand over 5 years improving this property. We did the floors ourselves or had family help. We just repainted the cabinets. They were like brown, and they painted some of the doors black. It was really weird. You'll have to see the before pictures. But yeah, we cut that fridge hole out because it was like super small and it was curved and looked weird. Put in new countertops. We tried to reuse everything we could. We added this little cabinet here just for some more cabinet space. We painted this door like a chalkboard paint, which was kind of neat, so we could write things on that door. The bedroom, bathroom. This is what I used for my office previously, but there was pretty much 3 bedrooms, all on the upstairs level, and this was the backyard. So it was a huge backyard, probably a third of an acre or more, which was nice, but also kind of sucked when you had to rake it and mow it. But that's pretty much it. But I want to show you the numbers behind this. So we bought this house, and you can see this stuff on Zillow. This is the first place I start when I'm doing research on a property. I'll go to Zillow. You can see a lot of info here. So you can see it's last sold for $120,500. So that's what we sold it for back in August. So just recently we moved to a new house. I'm now a 5-minute walk to my job, so I really don't even need a car. And our mortgage is actually less than it was at this house. So we combined a couple nice things there. And it was just a good next step for us. And if you scroll down more here, you can see this price tax history. So you'll see that we bought this house March 31st, 2014 for $69,100. So basically that's a difference of about $50K. And like I said, we put in probably $10,000 into improving the house over 5 years. So we netted $40,000 from the sale of this house. And what's cool is since it was a personal residence, we didn't have to pay any taxes on it. So that's one of the things I want to get across to people is if you're strategic with real estate, you can make money, save money on taxes, and it's really not that much effort because it's just your house. Obviously, this is just one strategy, but you can combine a lot of cool strategies with real estate. And I love real estate. It's a passion of mine. It's something I'm going to invest in for the rest of my life. But yeah, basically, I'd love to teach other people about real estate as well. So if you have any interest in learning about any of these topics, shoot me a message. Let me know. Basically, it's going to be starting this next month or maybe early December. I don't want to get into like Thanksgiving or Christmas time, but if we can find a gap in between there, that'd be awesome. But yeah, feel free to reach out to me. I'm working from home today, so love to chat about it if you're interested. Other than that, I'll be dropping some more tips and trainings basically about some of the different topics. So watch for those, and I'll check you guys later.